Setting column headers in Excel helps organize your data and unlock features like filtering and sorting. Here's how to do it. Open your Excel file or create a new workbook. If you already have data starting in row 1, right-click on the row number 1 on the left side of the worksheet. Click Insert from the context menu. A new blank row appears at the top and your existing data shifts down. Now click on cell A1 and type your first header name. Press Tab to move to the next cell. Type your second header, press Tab, and continue until all your columns are named. Use short descriptive names like name, date, amount, or status. Select all your header cells in row 1 by clicking and dragging across them. The cells will highlight in blue or gray. Go to the Home tab and click the bold button to make the text bold. Then click the Fill Color button and choose a background color. Gray or a light theme color works well. Now select your entire data range, including the header row. If your data goes to column D and row 10, select from A1 to D10. You'll see a blue border around your selection. Go to the Insert tab and click the Table button. The Create Table dialog box opens. Check the My Table has headers checkbox and click OK. Your data is now a table with filter drop-down arrows in each header. Finally, click on cell A2. Go to the View tab and click Freeze Panes. Then select Freeze Panes from the drop-down. A thin line appears below row 1. Your headers are now set. The table format gives you automatic filtering. Click the drop-down arrows in any header to sort or filter your data. When you scroll down, the frozen headers stay visible at the top. If you need to edit a header name later, just click the cell and type the new text.